So this is a pretty cool problem because if we notice that this is in standard form and they're trying to get it into vertex form, which if you're unclear on the different forms of a quadratic, you could go to our informational program function. So let's go alpha cosine, which gets you right to the f's. We'll go in, press enter, go to quadratic, which is the second one. And notice we can see that standard form is what the original problem is in. Vertex form is what all the answer options are in, except for D. D is kind of in a weird format. But the idea is to get it from standard to vertex, we normally do a process called completing the square. However, we have a nice program. Let's scroll down to completing square. So notice that's program number 0. We'll go into it. We're specifically looking at a quadratic function. This is not the equation of a circle. So let's start with quadratic. We'll put the coefficients of 2, 4, and 3. And notice what it gives us. It's saying that the a value is 2. So let's go ahead and put 2. Now, the key thing here, this -1, 1, the hk, is the vertex. However, if we're putting it into this equation, notice only the x-coordinate, which they call h, has a negative in front of it. That means you're going to do the opposite of that coordinate when putting it into the equation or taking it out for that matter. So if this was -1, we're really going to put +1 squared because of this. And then you have plus k. The fact that it's plus k means whatever k is, if it's positive, you keep it positive. If it were negative, you keep it negative. And that matches perfectly with option A.